energies. Can you justify a simple remedy? Do either one of us have any solutions to all the confusion through the things we're saying, we're saying, we're saying? Don't make me look out the window. Don't make me walk out the front door. Don't make me wish that I had listened to my heart before. I know the way that you're burning. I know the pain you feel inside. I know you don't wanna meet me. Don't wanna make me wanna leave this time. Don't wanna leave this time. This time. Do we really wanna leave it all behind? Are we losing what so many never find? Is there anything left between both you and me? A light to make us see this life worth saving, worth saving, worth saving. There's so many ways for us to walk away. Can you justify a reason we should stay? Do either one of us have the strength to carry on when all the trust is gone? Are the words worth saying, worth saying, worth saying?